Hey everybody, I am standing in the Horizon. This is the most popular home that we have built in a couple of years. And what makes it so popular is that we built it as a 48-foot. We built it as a 56-foot, 3-bedroom, 2-living area. We built it as a 68-foot. So there's a lot of different ways we can build this house. They've even taken it to the next level. I've got one coming that's a 3-bathroom, 4-bedroom, 2,100 square foot house. So there's so many different ways we could build this home. Come on down, make it yours. We'll customize it the way you want it. Put your name on one so we can get it this year. Thank you.
We are here at the Tomball, Texas, Palm Harbor Homes. My name is Susan Torsha. We are in the Horizon this morning. The first thing I want everyone to see is how light and bright it is in here. How big the island is when you have family gatherings. The kids can sit up here. This home comes with all of the appliances, the fridge, stove, and the dishwasher right over here. One other thing I wanted to note is the ceramic tile. The ceramic tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. Look how beautiful that is. One more safety feature over here is we have GFIs in our kitchen. Very important when you have, kids in the home. Again, my name is Susan Torsha here in the Horizon at Palm Harbor Homes in Tomball, Texas.
Hey guys, my name's Eric. I work here at Palm Harbor Homes of Tomball, Texas. I just wanted to show you this living area of the Horizon 48. 8.5-foot tall ceiling. You have wide area. All our electric plugs, all our electric switches, they're already inspected. There's no issue in that. Everything in this living area is step and textured. You have your ceiling fan. You have all your vents in the ceiling. That's a big upgrade. You have your crown molding. And just one more time, my name's Eric Carmona here at Palm Harbor Homes of Tomball.
Hello America, Roland Mr. Cheeseburger Boys here at Palm Harbor Homes in Tomball. And I want to let you know that here at Palm Harbor Homes in Tomball, we save you cheese and give you the bacon. By that I mean, look at this beautiful bathroom with all this decor and piping that comes standard in this option. Also the his and her sink with tons of space for you and the missus. As we step out here in the master, when I say save you cheese and give you the bacon, we have the most energy efficient homes on the market. We're going to provide you homes that are going to save you on your energy bill, but you're going to have more outlets per wall than any of my competitors. That's going to allow you to move your room around just like you could in any other conventional site built house. None of our competitors offer that. So here at Palm Harbor Homes in Tomball, save yourself some cheese, get the bacon, and come see me.
Palm Harbor Homes, your home.